Hi everyone, welcome to Mystic Oracle Tarot PH. You viewers, welcome. My lovely subscribers, welcome back. And thank you. Salamat sa mga suporta nyo. Sa pagbibigay nyo sa akin na walang sawang support. Oras. Salamat po sa inyo. Anyway, this reading po is only for a general reading, collective, and a timeless reading. So, hindi talaga lahat makaka-resonate po nito. So, leave it behind po kung hindi ang mensahe ay ito ay para hindi sa iyo. Okay. Let's begin your reading. Okay. I receive money every day. Parang feel ko nun, negosyante ka. May negosyo ka na pumapasok yung pera mo araw-araw. Hindi ka nawawala ng pera na pumapasok talaga siya sa negosyo mo. And the next one, I deserve a fulfilling, well-paid, and exciting career. So, itong negosyo mo ay ito yung career mo. Focus ka dito sa negosyo mo. Kasi yung negosyo na yan ang nagdadala ng pera at kabuhayan mo. Ano pa? Marami. You are doing well with your negosyo po. So, keep it up. Kasi, luck is in your side. Yung negosyo mo ay sobrang ganda. Hindi ka talaga may araw-araw talaga na may pera na pumapasok. Negosyo mo ay stable. Stable yung negosyo mo. The next message, I experience joy in all areas of my life, and this raises my vibrations. So, hindi lang sa negosyo mo, kapirahan mo, pati sa buhay mo, you are satisfied. Saya mo. Wala kang problema. Wala kang problema sa buhay mo. Masaya ka naman. Okay. Meron tayong, see, you are strong. You are strong kung ano man kung may time na may hiccup, no? You are just this kind of person. Napakalakas na mo. Resilient ka talaga. Napaka-resilient mo na tao. Okay. When it comes to your relationship naman, with your own relationship, your family, wala namang problema. Masaya ka. Masayang-masaya ka. Kontento ka na sa buhay mo at the moment. From your friendship, relationship, loved ones mo, family, friends, lahat. Career mo, masaya ka at the moment. Wala kang hinahanap more. So, you are stable. Masaya ka. There you go. And you look after yourself too, your well-being. So, that is really good. I am grateful to my body for supporting me through life. You look after your well-being, yourself, yung health mo, very good. You look after yourself. The next message, kasi ayaw mo magkakasakit eh. Kasi pag magkakasakit ka, who's going to look after sa negosyo mo? Kasi yung negosyo na yan is your life. I am blessed with deep inner wisdom and strength. Hindi ka talaga nagkulang sa mga experience mo. Kung may na-discover ka na mga comments or suggestions, you always listen to it. Nakikinig ka. Tapos inaano mo yan, kino-convert mo yan into, or kinakausap mo, inaano mo sa sarili mo na you're deep diving, no? Sa sarili mo na, do I need to do that? Do I listen to the suggestions? Is that gonna benefit my negosyo? Yung ano mo, thought mo, yun yung feelings mo. The next one. At the moment naman, read muna natin. I deserve a beautiful, spacious, comfortable home. Of course. Deserving mo talaga yan. Kasi, kaya mo naman kaya mo bumili ng bahay na malaki. Kasi, you have the money for it. Maybe iniisip mo na gusto mo magbili ng malaking bahay this time, in a long run, in the future. Yung yun yung next plan mo is malaking bahay, malaki na bahay. Okay, ano pa? Oops. There you go. Ito yung confirmation mo. I am open to new opportunities to express my skills and passions in the world. This is where you deep dive as well for your inner wisdom and strength. Kung merong merong nanghihingi sa iyo ng advice o tulong, kasi nakikita kanila you are successful negosyante. So gusto nilang malaman kung anong trick mo. But you are willing to teach them. You are willing na ipakita kung paano lalago ang negosyo. Your heart is open naman. Hindi mo naman sinisikreto yan. That is good para walang para hindi sila magsiselos na tinatago mo lang ang lahat, di ba? So that is really good on you. That's good for you. Okay, your last message before. I am improving my health every day. See? I did say that you look after your well-being. You look after yourself. Masaya ka. That is really good. Masaya ka sa lahat ng bagay sa buhay mo na dumating. At the moment, stable ka. You are planning na bibili ka ng malaking bahay in the future. Pero hindi pa ngayon. Maganda ang lakad ng buhay mo. Which is really good. I really like. Whoever resonates this message, please also comment down below. And don't forget also to claim this, manifest this. Okay? Kasi ito ay para sa'yo. Itong mensahe ay dulot na ibibigay sa iyo ng Divine Universe. I hope you enjoyed this reading. I hope that you like this reading as well. And please share this reading as well if anyone will resonate this as well. And don't forget to like as well and subscribe. Please help me build my channel back again. I need all your support, everyone. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.